Alright, these are the elevators here at the Towne Place Suites, Minneapolis Airport area in Bloomington, Minnesota. Looks like they're Schindler. Let's ride them. And there's currently music playing right under me, so that's just great. I'm gonna get copyright stricken. So I hope I'm talking over it loud enough. Alright, here's the elevator. Let's go with the Ford. Right, here we are at Ford. Sounds like the other one's going. Awesome. Let's go back down to 1. There's your cab view. And we're stopping at 3.
Telepon kita ya tadi. Mahal yang kira. Telepon kita ada. Pada telepon kita yang, pada telepon kita kita.
Alright, there it goes. That's it.